Hello and welcome back to lesson 6.4. This is the second part of the probability and odds videos, and today we're going to be specifically talking about the odds portion. When calculating odds, there's really two ways that you can look at the calculation of odds. One is you can look at the odds of something, what we say is in favor of, or means that what are the odds that it will happen or will occur, or you can look at the odds against an event, which would be the odds that something doesn't happen. Either way, the formula is very similar. So if we look at the odds in favor of something happening, it's going to be the number of favorable outcomes versus the number of unfavorable outcomes. If we're looking at the odds against an event happening, we're going to look at the number of unfavorable outcomes, and we're going to divide that by the number of favorable outcomes. So I'll go ahead and do an example so that you can see how this works. So for example 4, it says, the reverse sides of 5 quarters are shown below. If you select one of these quarters at random, what are the odds in favor of it showing at least one human figure on the reversed side? So we'll look at the odds in favor. So to calculate the odds, remember odds was equal to, in this case, we have the favorable, and we're going to divide that by the unfavorable. So what that means is if I go through and I count the figures, that shows at least one human figure, and I'm just going to draw a line through it. I've got 1, 2, 3 that have human figures, or these are the 3 figures that are favorable, and I'm going to divide that by the figures that do not have human figures, so that would be 1, 2, or these are my unfavorable events. So we would say that our odds are 3 to 2, and remember, you can also write that as 3 to 2. So there's 3 favorable outcomes for every 2 unfavorable outcomes. Please let me know if you have any questions. This concludes part 2 and lesson 6.4. Have a good day.